Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to prototype a really slick image zoom-on hover effect in Figma. If you've ever wanted that cool, interactive detail for portfolio shots, product views, or simply to add some wow factor to your designs, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up this attention-grabbing effect in Figma, and you'll even be able to customize it for your own projects. So let's dive right in. First, let's start with your image. It can be absolutely anything, maybe a product photo, an illustration, or even just a placeholder for now. The main thing is that you have an image on your Figma canvas that you'd like to add this interaction to. With your image selected, the next thing you'll want to do is create a component out of it. You can either right-click your image and select Create Component, or use the handy shortcut, which is Command-Alt-K on Mac or Control-Alt-K on Windows. Turning your image into a component is really important. It means you'll be able to make variants, reuse this effect in other places, and most importantly, it lets you set up powerful interactions like the zoom effect we're after. Now you want to add a variant to your new component. In the Components panel, just click the big plus button, and this will create an additional state or version for your component. Think of variants as different outfits for your image. One could be normal, and one could be zoomed in or have special effects. Here, our first variant is the default image, and our second variant is the image in its zoomed or highlighted state. At this point, let's focus on the details that'll help the hover effect feel really polished. For this example, there's a purple line as part of the design, maybe as an underline or a border around the image. You'll want to make that purple line bigger in the hover variant. Just select it and adjust the thickness or size as needed. This simple touch adds a little extra pop to the zoom effect and lets you guide the viewer's eye right where you want it. Now make the whole variant itself bigger. This is how you'll create the zoom illusion. Take the second variant and scale up the image, maybe by 10 or 20%, depending on how dramatic you like the zoom to feel. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always adjust the scale after previewing. The main point is to have one variant at normal size and one scaled up for hovering. Alright, time for the magic. Adding the prototype interaction. Click on the component in prototype mode, then grab that little blue node that appears. Drag it over to your second enlarged variant. In the interaction panel, set the trigger to while hovering. This tells Figma to make the change as soon as the user puts their mouse over the image. Under animation, switch it to slow and choose 500 milliseconds. This is what gives you that nice, smooth, almost luxurious zoom, rather than a jumpy, abrupt switch. It makes the effect feel a little bit special, and your audience will definitely notice the difference. Next, just drag your new component, the asset itself, to the frame where you want it to appear in your design. It could be your homepage mockup, a product grid, wherever you want people to experience that zoom-on hover. Last step. Click Preview, hover over the image, and you should see your hard work in action. If it doesn't look exactly right, don't worry, go back and tweak the scale or the purple line size until it feels just right. And that's it, you've created a fully interactive, customizable zoom-on hover effect in Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more Figma effects, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.